chocolate chip cookie.
So we have flour,
Chocolate and
butter. We have this
brown sugar,
salt, tiny salt, and something.
Baking soda.
And baking soda. And egg here. It's pretty jiggly.
Okay, nice.
What do we need to do first, Mom?
Alright, so we'll need to put in our flour first. Mommy's going to help you with these because this is big.
I don't want to do it.
Okay. I don't want us to make a mess. So don't worry, you do the
I don't
rolling.
make mess when I'm doing this.
Mommy made a mess yet. Told you, you make a mess.
Yeah, when you're baking, there's no how you don't make a mess.
Mommy, what
So you need to put in the dry ingredients. What other dry ingredients do you have here?
we have
Sugar.
Good. Can you pick it and pour it in the
this
juice?
sugar.
Yeah, any of the sugar. Just be careful. Pick one. We may say pick something else. Your sister picked this already.
Okay.
Yeah, pour in everything. So AJ is pouring in the sugar now. You don't need the spoon. You need mommy to help you.
No, I can do it, Mommy. Just me want it.
Okay. Good.
Let's really put it out.
Yeah, you can
And
just put it there.
and the dry sugar.
Yes. AJ, no, pick something else. What other? No, that's not your dry ingredients, AJ. Yes.
I can put it in this.
Yeah, the sauce.
Yeah, but I just don't want to see.
Yes.
No more dry ingredients.
Yeah, no more dry ingredients. So what we're gonna do, if you were using your bowl, no, AJ, no, you would have mixed this together with a spatula, but because we're using our food processor, this is our Ninja food processor, so we need to mix all the dry ingredients together first.
Mommy,
Okay, this is gonna make a lot of noise.
Mommy, this
It's gonna
is
make
a
it all
dry-
nice.
This
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, in here.
Yes.
Come. You can get up.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm
you
gonna help you.
We're not pushing down.
Yeah. Rumzy, your turn. Be careful. Yes, the giant one. Careful. No, let me go. You're a bit far from it. That's right. Hey, did you want to scoop the last one?
Just push.
There's a giant one, AJ.
Yeah, I got the giant first.
Yes. So mommy's going to help you scrape every little tiny
Bit.
butter in here. Alright.
5, 4.
No, the not that.
Okay.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put the remaining two liquid ingredients. So AJ, grab one thing. Rumzy, grab one thing. Alright, so AJ's putting in the egg.
The egg is just down there.
Yes. And Rumzy is putting in the vanilla extract.
Then the last is gonna be chocolate.
Yeah, but we can't put the chocolate in yet because you are going to use your hand to put the chocolate in
Yeah.
when we get out from the bowl.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So we're going to be mixing that. I'm going to get you both
Where's
a
the
mixing
bowl?
bowl. No, I'm going to get you a bowl, okay?
I'm just gonna cut just a tiny bit.
Alright, so let me just take this away from me. You guys go wash your hands. Because you're going to be mixing with your hand.
Oh, I'm using the check like that. Down hand.
With your hands.
And let's go back. Not ready for that.
When you're done mixing it together, let me know.
Okay, mommy. It's the oily. It's the oily. That's oily.
Don't taste it, Rumzy.
Okay.
I saw you. Now just roll it out. Put it on the board and roll it out.
And finish now, mommy. No.
Good job.
It feels like a stomach.
You said that's my food.
Mama said it feels like a stomach when you cut it. Okay. Ooh, look, I didn't.
No, you don't bring it out that way. It's gonna.
Let's do this one
Let
more
me
here.
bring the tray.
I'm gonna do this one now. Little teapot, I love you. Little teapot, I. Mommy, look.
Hey.
Mommy, look, I'm literally cut out myself. Yes, and mommy, look. Why do you feel like a funny guy? Who said that my tray needs to be closer to my
One of the food got damaged. We're trying the cookies and the chocolate chip cookie in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So guys, our cookie is ready.
This bit is my wow. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy today's Vlogmas. Please kindly subscribe to our channel if you're yet to. And also click the like button and notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop new videos. Bye.